In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Skype in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to loved ones, connecting for a business meeting, or just catching up with an old friend, Skype has made it incredibly simple and convenient. Let's dive right into the process together, ensuring that you'll be ready to make your next call in no time. To start, you need to navigate to the Skype website. You can do this by typing it into your browser, or simply clicking on a link that's provided in a guide or search engine. Once you're there, look for the button that says Open Skype in the browser. Clicking on this will prompt you to either sign into your existing Skype account or to create one if you haven't already. This step is crucial because without a Skype account you can't proceed to make calls. After you've successfully signed in, you're going to see a variety of icons on your Skype dashboard. The one you need to pay attention to is the dial pad logo, which is usually found on the left side of your screen. The design of the icon resembles a traditional telephone keypad, making it easier to recognize. Click on this dial pad logo to move to the next step. With the dial pad now open, you're in the right place to enter the phone number of the person you wish to call. Take a moment to double check that you've entered the correct number. Remember, depending on where you're calling, you might need to include a country code or area code as part of the number. This ensures that your call reaches the intended recipient no matter where in the world they are. Finally, it's time to make the call. After you've inputted the number, look for the phone icon located typically at the bottom of the dial pad area. This icon represents the action of making the call, and by clicking on it, you're instructing Skype to connect you to the number you've entered. And that's really all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can make a call to anyone, anywhere using Skype right from your web browser. It's a great tool for keeping in touch, especially when you can't be there in person. Plus, with a little practice, you'll find it to be quick and effortless. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure your Skype calls go smoothly. Always check your internet connection before making a call, as a stable connection can greatly improve call quality. If you're planning to make calls regularly, consider investing in a good quality headset or microphone. This can make a significant difference in the clarity of your calls and make conversations more enjoyable for both parties. Hopefully, you found this walkthrough helpful. Skype is a powerful tool for communication, and now that you know how to make calls, you're all set to stay connected with the people that matter most to you. Happy calling!